Maddy and Jimmy.
Why does your car sound like a cat?
Because it's perfect.
Oh, very good. Oh, hi guys.
Hi guys.
Maddy and Jimmy here with another Lego hack.
Oh yeah, I'm excited, Jimmy. I'm very excited for today. But before we hack into today's video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.
Yeah, you don't need to if you already have. You're doing a great job.
You're doing an awesome job.
Also, if you're watching this in the present day and not travelling through time, and it's not April 2020 yet, there are also tickets available to our live international Melbourne Comedy Festival. I said that the wrong way, but who cares? It's called Maddy and Jimmy and The Brick of Destiny. And there is a ticket link in the comments below. Come along, we want to meet you in person.
I'm excited, Jimmy. I'm very excited. Almost as excited as I am today because we are making a hack video all about cars.
Yeah, today we're going to learn how to make a basic car.
I'm pretty excited about this because back on Lego Masters when Jimmy and I had to recreate the DeLorean,
Oh yes.
I was a little bit scared. I'd never made a car before and I kind of wish we could have travelled back to the future in a way if there was a video like this we could watch. So that's why we're making it today.
Oh, you're welcome, guys. We're helping you out for future Lego Masters. Now, in basic sets, they will often already give you one of these. It's sort of like a fused together car base, and that's all well and dandy. That's it right there. Also, we have a little baby car right there. But if you don't have one of those, or if you're just making it from scratch, that's awesome, because guess what? They are so easy to make. I've made one right here. If I can do it, you can do it. Basically, what I have done here is I have got a 2x12 plate, and then I've just stuck two wheels. I've got some odd ones there, so there's sort of bigger ones at the back. And then I've just taken it can be any color, two 2x6 plates, and I just whack them on there, like so. And you've got an almost identical frame right there. I mean, how cool is that? Just make sure you don't put the frames, or should I say the plates, too close to the wheels, otherwise they won't spin, and that defeats the purpose of making a car. What next, Maddy?
Well, this is where the fun part starts. You will need a seat and a steering wheel, but apart from that, you can go nuts and make your car your own. Make it really fun. As you can see, my car has been inspired by my favourite drink. I like to call it the Fanta Fury.
Oh, I like the Fanta Fury. And I, of course, have made the Rouge Warrior. Check that out.
Oh, I like it.
No one's driving it. It's a ghost car. Nah.
It matches my lipstick.
So, I mean, if we can make these, you can make these. It's easy as that. You just make the frame and then just build on top of it. You could build like a unicorn on top of it.
That would be cool.
You could build a giant hamburger car. Whatever you like.
I love it. We've even got some up the front that we've made from sets. We've got a little pizza van here, police car.
Very cool.
Very,
the
very
Joker's
cool.
lowrider. Well, guys, that's it. That is the basic car. And once you get that frame down and the steering wheel and the seat, you can do whatever you like. This has been another Maddy and Jimmy Lego hack. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Subscribe. Woohoo! I won.
What did you win? I don't think there was a competition.
Oh.
I've still got my car.
See ya.